There are so many different ways to make a woman think about you non-stop, some of which are more effective than others, and some are more indirect. Today we will discuss about 8 effective ways to make a woman think about you non-stop. Number 1. Create a strong emotional connection. I always recommend you to create a strong emotional connection when it comes to making your girl think about you non-stop. One of the best ways to make a woman obsess over you is to connect with her emotionally. Women are emotional creatures, and by connecting with them emotionally, you will be able to make a deep connection with them. The easiest way to do is to find something you have in common. Once you found something that you both connect with, you will be able to have deeper conversations and she will start to feel closer to you. She will tell her secrets to you. And that's how you make her think about you non-stop. It's crucial to focus on your emotional intelligence to make her interested in you. Number 2. Compliment her like a playboy. Compliments are a perfect way to make a woman feel good about herself, and if you compliment her in a different style, she will start to melt. However, you need to be cautious with your compliments. You don't want to come across as fake to make a woman feel appreciated. It can be effective to compliment her on her skills, intelligence, or sense of humor, rather than how she looks. Women are often self-conscious about their intelligence, so by complimenting her mindset, you will make her feel great about herself, and she will be more likely to feel attracted to you. Number 3. You have to be confident. One of the most crucial things you can do to make a woman think about you non-stop is to be confident. If you are not confident, then pretend to be a confident man. Women are attracted to self-assured men, and they will be more likely to obsess over you if you project confidence. However, be careful not to come across as arrogant. There is a fine line between being confident and being pompous or conceited. Just be sure of yourself and your abilities and skills, and let that come through in your interactions with others. Number 4. Be exciting always. Be captivating to make a woman attracted to you. You need to be someone she finds captivating and exciting. One of the best ways to do is to keep things fresh and new. Don't talk about the same old things all the time. Try new and different things and have your own interests and hobbies. Women are attracted to men who are well-rounded and have their lives outside of the relationship. Number 5. Give her space. Women don't like men who are clingy. If you are always texting or calling and try to be around her, she will quickly lose interest in you. Women need lots of space, and if you can give her the space she needs, she will be more likely to want to be around you. She will start thinking about you non-stop when you give her space. By making yourself less available, you will naturally be more attractive in her eyes. Don't be afraid to play hard to get. It may seem counterproductive, but it's the best thing you can do to make any woman think about you non-stop. Number 6. Be respectful. This should go without saying, but it's important to treat women with respect if you want to make them think about you non-stop. Don't objectify or demean women, and don't use manipulative tactics to try to get what you want. Respect her and respect yourself. Being a respectful person doesn't mean being a nice person. If you keep respecting the wrong person, then they will take advantage of that. Always be aware and play clever. Number 7. Be a good listener. One of the most important things you can do to make a woman think about you non-stop is to be a good listener. Women love to be heard, so make sure you are actively listening when she talks to you. Show interest in what she's saying. Ask questions and be engaged in the conversation. By being a good listener, you will be able to build a deeper connection with her, and she will appreciate your efforts to understand her. Number 8. Be patient. It's important to be patient if you want to make a woman think about you non-stop. Building a deep connection with someone takes time, and you don't rush the process. Be patient, be persistent, and don't give up if things don't happen right away. Remember that relationships are a journey and the destination is worth the effort. So be patient and give your best. Thank you for watching. If you want to level up in your life, then hit the like and subscribe button for more upcoming useful and valuable videos. I will see you in the next video. Till that, keep learning, keep improving, and be the best version of yourself.